I'll get there. One of the six. It's a 6-minute video.
Okay, we did the derivatives, so it makes perfect sense that we would do the integrals. The good news is there's only 3 of them. The bad news is the formulas are kind of nasty. So, just like derivatives, I'll give you the 3 formulas, but I'm also going to show you where the formulas come from, so it's not just a matter of rote memorization. So let me fire off the 3 forms. And the weird thing about this is that it's a very specialized form, so something has to fit exactly into this mode if you're going to get it to work. So it's not the most practical thing in the world.
Are these formulas on that formula sheet on Schoology already?
There's a formula. Yeah, so there's
Which formula sheet?
There's just a thing called formulas on Schoology.
it's like
Oh, Grassy must have put that up there.
Yeah, what a dude.
He is a good guy.
Calcho did, not me.
See, these are horrible because there's just that one little thing that changes in between them.
No, I just want to make sure.
Do you realize how much you guys get confused the fact that this one doesn't have this degree must be there because of people plus minus. This is really.
Yeah, I agree with you. These are nasty.
Are these going to be on the quiz on Thursday?
Probably.
Are any formulas fair game for Thursday? Or are you gonna, yeah?
A squared minus squared root is squared. What quiz on Thursday? There's a just for X.
There's 12.
That's actually
Aren't
solid.
there 24 formulas?
That's not ridiculous. I mean,
What's
are we talking like?
What's the derivative of x to the n?
Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, some of them, but then some of them are going to be what's the derivative of a to the n?
8.
A to the x, no a.
Oh, A.
A.
Like,
Like,
is
that's one of
Ah.
the- that's one
it
of the-
gonna be
Yeah,
exactly
8.
like-
Yeah.
Wait,
Is it gonna be set up like, you know how we have like ours?
We'll talk about it. Don't freak out about something that's many days away.
Too late.
Let's freak out about this first. So you'll see very specialized. Now notice in these equations, a is a constant, like it always is, and u is a function. Probably just x, but sometimes it can be something different. The difficult part about this is when you get to these problems, you have to recognize it as one of the forms that we're going to deal with. On second thought, I don't think I'm going to show you the derivation because it's long and nasty and you're not going to care about it anyways. But it involves starting with a formula like this and factoring out something like a squared. So this becomes u divided by a, and then you do a u du, and then it just goes downhill from there. What I think is going to be more practical is to look at an example. So let's do the following.
It says 0 at the bottom.
Yes. And that's a dx.
We're just gonna have to do just keep going down.
Sometimes. All right, question number 1. Which form is that? The red one, correct. What's a? 1. What's u? X. Good. Then plug and chug. So this would be the inverse tangent of x, evaluated from 0 to 1. Okay. Now it seems nice and easy. Well, that was cakewalk, but that's when you've got the formula sitting in front of you. And they're just different enough to cause all kinds of problems.
Yeah.
You got a square root in number 1 of a squared minus u squared. In the bottom, you've got a square root too, but now all of a sudden, just to be a jerk, I switched the order, u squared minus a squared.
Why is it?
And then if that wasn't bad enough, I stuck a u out in front of it just to see who's paying attention. Right with that?
Why?
Where is it?
I feel like
just
it
isn't part of
makes
it.
sense if they
It's
flip
not.
cosine.
Then where do we put it?
Because it's a constant, so.
I don't know where, to be honest, I don't know where cosine, cotangent, and cosecant are. I don't know why we
That's
don't,
my explanation.
don't deal with them.
Just seems random, like sine tangent.
Right, why those three?
Wait, is that problem done?
Wouldn't it be 4 times tangent?
Oh yeah, thank you, I forgot the 4 up in front.
Oh, no.
There we go. I screwed everything up.
That really confused me.
0 on the AP test.
Hope you were there at the time.
You know, is it possible to get a
That's fair?
Is it possible to get a 0 on the AP test?
I don't think so.
Okay, not yet.
To get a what?
Is it a challenge?
Challenge accepted.
I can do that.
They did that for their ACT.
Well, one way is to not show up.
Well, like I'll show up. But I,
Well, then you're good.
I mean, don't
You
show
have, you
up.
have to know all the answers, right? Just to choose one.
But like everything I do, it's not wrong.
Yeah.
Getting a 2 means you got it.
They're gonna be like, what the heck is that?
Not that. Because I mean, like,
Is that a 4?
because it's a lot easier to
That's a
know.
4x, yes.
It's a lot easier to know the right and the wrong answer than to know the right answer.
Does that fit any of the forms?
Third one.
I saw it first.
Third one.
The third one?
No, the first.
First one?
Yeah.
First one's got a 1 in the numerator.
Well,
could just- yeah, all you gotta do is
Maybe you do you.
Just do what you do with the
You
Huh?
do you.
Do what you did with the 4 and the other one.
No, you do.
No, it's definitely
No, because it's not a constant. That's 2x. I'm sorry?
It's definitely
It is a UDU. What's U?
EX. 1 minus E.
either
No,
or
wouldn't it be
x.
2x?
Square root of 1
1 minus.
4.
Q.
Good. I think we've covered everything, including somebody just said Q. So e to the 2x, 1 minus e to the 4x. E to the 2x over the square root of 1 minus e to the 4x. The square root of 1 minus e to the 4x. We got to try 1.
1 minus.
Or Q. We could do Q also.
Pretty sure it's 1 minus.
1 minus
E
e to the 4x. So what's a derivative of 1 minus e to the 4x?
It's
definitely either 2.
Hold on.
It'd be
Wait,
negative-
wait, wait.
it's
Sidebar.
negative 4.
What's a derivative of e to the 4x?
It's negative 4.
Okay, good. Just want to make sure. Is that going to help us? Nope. That doesn't work.
E to the 2x.
E to the 2x?
Wait,
What's the derivative of e to the 2x?
2 e to the 2x.
Is that good?
Yes.
Very
Running out of room. Is that good?
Yes.
Yeah, because this is going to cancel. This is going to cancel with that.
But that's already canceled because it's a U.
Me?
No, the top is a U.
Well, not yet. I haven't subbed in yet.
Well, you're canceling it out before you're subbing it in.
But who knows?
Alright.
Right? I'm canceling before I sub, which is how we're supposed to do it.
But yeah, but you're canceling your U.
Me?
Yeah.
What?
E to the 2x.
No, I'm not. Hold on. Oh, I understand the question. You think I'm canceling my U?
Yes.
Ah. Ah ha 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 ha.
That's
E to the 2x.
No.
Oh, so
Yeah,
it's
you
1
don't
over.
No,
So
but
the bottom would be
confused.
u squared.
So
Wait,
it's 1
but
over.
It just doesn't matter though.
Oh, so then you
Isn't
cancel
the
1
square
over.
root to be 1 minus u squared?
And then it goes into the first.
I did something. Can you give me one
This is way too hard.
Give up now.
I use words spoken. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good catch. Thank you. Dante just saved the day. Forgot the 1/2 out in front. Getting sloppy in my old age.
Call Dante.
Because E to the 4x is E to 2x squared.
No, it's not.
Now you understand why that.
Yeah.
That's okay. Go away. Go away. Oh no,
I believe.
I'm right there with you. Pregunta?
I have a general question.
It's not a major question.
No.
Is it a private question?
It's a current
No.
question.
It's a real question.
How about an admiral question?
What?
Admiral question? Staff sergeant question?
Just ask the question.
Okay, basically
Current
what he said, the DX, I don't understand what you're saying.
Let's review. You said I have a general question.
Oh.
question?
But I'm-
General question.
I got you.
Major question? Private
You
question?
don't ask a question, he's never gonna.
Colonel
question.
Go ahead.
So,
Only
when
how
I
we
said
run
the
the thing.
DUs and the DXs are important in the formulas and stuff like that, why?
Because it determines what you're treating as a variable. So for instance, in I, I've got A's and U's. So if that DU becomes a DA, it completely changes the problem because now A becomes a variable and U is a constant.
So that's just telling you which one. Okay, alright.
Mr. Will, are you just doing laps? Did you swear in class and they made you go take a lap?
No.
No? No, you just going for a stroll?
Yeah.
Excellent. With your briefcase? In case you gotta do a random math problem or something.
Right.
Right, exactly. Time we're getting calculate. Okay, so we good? Bridget, you got your question answered?
Yes.
Brad, you good with the U going away and you got the whole that business? Okay, now which one is that?
Top one.
What's A? What's U?
You.
So this is?
1/2 sine negative 1 e to the 2x plus.
E to the 4x, but yeah.
No, that would be it squared.
Can't just like take the one out underneath and just leave it.
Yeah, I just,
So we just leave it like that? Is that what he asked?
Isn't that not showing off? Cause like now it's not.
no, it's dumb, actually.
Yeah.
Tell me we leave it like that.
It isn't, I mean, I just tried to match up the form.
Right.
Alright.
It's reverse showing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He just asked the same question. I just wanted it to match the form of U over A. A is 1, U is e to the 2x. Most people will probably not include the 1, but most people haven't had the years of mathematical training that I have.
That's true.
Okay? Fun stuff, right? Note cards coming up for those 3. Okay. Well, you're gonna need a lot of note cards. Yeah, you've seen the whole packet. Okay, dog.
Are we not doing anything else?
You know, it's
No, 30.